cybercrime scam ay paraan ng panloloko gamit ng internet para magnakaw ng pera o personal na impormasyon. At kung hindi ka mag-iingat, baka ikaw na ang susunod.
Mahigit doble ang tinaas sa mga kaso ng cybercrime sa Metro Manila ngayong taon.
Mas high-tech, mas napapadali yung proseso. Yun nga lang, kung nagagamit ito sa mabuti, mas madali rin nagagamit sa kasamaan. Mas madali rin nagagamit sa kasamaan.
Hello?
Access granted.
Cybercrime is any crime carried out using computers, phones, or the internet. Criminals used it to steal money, personal information, or even whole identities. Common examples include hacking accounts, online scams, phishing emails, and spreading viruses. These crimes can harm people financially, emotionally, and even damage big organizations.
Think before you click.
Account hacked. We often become victims of cybercrime because many people don't recognize online threats, trust suspicious links or messages, and use weak or repeated passwords. Sometimes attackers take advantage of curiosity, urgency, or lack of awareness. Others fall victim because devices or apps are not updated, making them easier to hack. Scammers also use tricks to pretend to be trusted companies or people.
Kapag may nag-text na your account is locked, click this link, huwag paniwalaan. Ito ay pinaka-common scam ngayon. Pay first po, tapos biglang maglaho. Hindi lahat ng may maraming likes ay legit. Iisa lang ang layunin ng mga scammer, ang dayain ka. Pero kung may alam ka, hindi ka nila basta-basta maloloko. Maging mapanuri, maging alerto, at higit sa lahat, huwag magpa-scam.